He goes and beats up an old man. An old man. Bad little birdie. I got your Cb19nyc New York City video gate rolling. Your Cb19nyc New York City video gate is rolling. Oh, nobody doubt it. Cb19nyc on YouTube. You're holding the wall. New York CB shot back quiet.
How you doing? You gotta hear these motherfuckers in New York City running goddamn movement this morning.
Well, we hear you in New York City. We hear you in the New York City video gate. I don't know. I don't know. Cb19nyc on YouTube. Cb19nyc on YouTube. The New York City video gate is rolling. Come on in New York City, we're back quiet.
The only reason why you're hearing me is because you opened up your goddamn mouth. It was nice people and quiet until you opened up your goddamn mouth. Roger?
Well, I wouldn't hear you and you wouldn't hear me if we didn't open our mouths. But the Cb19nyc morning video gate audio has got us both in it. Old pistol around New York, back quiet.
The guy's name's Richie. Unbelievable. I'm just gonna turn my freaking radio off. If you're like giving me a goddamn headache, damn it, boy.
That's Richie, a.k.a. RC127. Audio. A.k.a. Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube. NYC Radio Wars, the playlist on YouTube. NYC Radio Wars, the playlist on YouTube. The truck driver, the best friend when they can't get out of radio, but gotta have a radio fixed. NYC Radio Wars, the playlist on YouTube, and I'm back quiet.
So that means if I go on YouTube, I can see me talking to this mud duck on the other side of this goddamn radio. Damn it, boy. I gotta go to YouTube and see me talk to this mud duck on the other goddamn line. Damn it, boy.
Audio. Yes, sir. Audio. Cb19nyc on YouTube. Cb19nyc on YouTube. This morning's date and time. Your hole in the wall. Video gate number 2 rolling. The CB shot back live.
They feel they got something to prove. So they make up for it. They usually drive a big diesel pickup truck and have a big CB radio to make up for their shortcomings as a real man.
Don't worry, there. In about 10 minutes, old Birdman will be eating his breakfast. Chow up.
I think they caged the birdie.
Well, you want to know, when you want to beat up defenseless old men just to try to prove you're a quarter of a tough guy, it don't work out too well. Yeah, maybe you, Crazy Eddie, and Enforcer Jeremiah could chip in for some Birdman bail. Beautiful morning. Oh, Bird is caged and Mr. Unjust got no lies to spread. NYC Radio Wars, the playlist on YouTube for the score around New York City and all that truth and justice served up. Why should I be quiet over here in New York City? Cb19nyc New York video game rolling.
Good morning. Give it job, my job. Get a freaking job, man. Obviously working on a big thing. CB shop. Hello?
Well, you know, I already did my job last night. 2 radios, 3 mics, and 1 antenna. So I guess you could say I woke up starting this morning with 35 on that one, 50 on that one, 15, 40. Yeah, I woke up starting the day $120 in to the good. Somebody's there with a little squeal. I don't come in, y'all come in. Okay. Look at that. Birdman arrested and no enforcer 250, man. Birdman arrested and no chicken shit enforcer. Audio drive. Not even a cupcake, icing on the cake.
I'm over here now. CB shop. Hello? Over here now.
Hey, Fagamaya, I didn't know you had a laughing Mary with you this morning. She sound kind of cute with that laughter. Well, my man, you cackling and laughing and talking like a girl. We'll let my viewers decide. You sound like a laughing Mary. Actually, listening a little closer, I can tell you're not a bitch, but you're trying hard to sound like one. The King of New York, Cb19nyc, morning video, get back quiet. Actually, watch this, dude. Let me show you how much better I can do. Watch. I'm gonna show you. Watch. Pay attention, guys. All right, Laughing Mary. Let me show you how much better I can do. You ready? Guys out here, pay attention to Laughing Mary. Hey, Laughing Mary, watch this. Didn't that man just say that piece of shit radio wasn't squealing? What the fuck you call that? Oh, I'm Laughing Mary fought. Yes, sir, guys, the new video channel for New York City, NYC 2016 CB, NYC 2016 CB, NYC 2016 CB. Oh, the hole in the wall, New York shop back quiet. Oh, snap, it sound like Birdie Maybell. It sound like old Birdman Maybell. Or maybe he on the land from that warrant, who knows. The King of New York, Cb19nyc, morning video gate rolling. Your hole in the wall, Brooklyn CB shop back wide. Till the music stops, guys. Alright guys, I'm not going to start the next video game till the music stops. I'm going to cut this one in a couple of seconds so it loads up 2250.